back to easy concept. The eigenvectors of the matrix M is equal to what? Okay, so they given M is equal to 4329. Okay, so first of all you have to calculate the eigenvalues, then successively we have to calculate eigenvectors. Okay, see, they given M is equal to 4 3 2 9. This is M. Okay, we know that the eigenvalue concept A minus lambda I, which is equal to 0. Now A minus lambda into 1 0 0 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now if you simplify this, A is equal to 4 3 something, right? A is equal to what we can write? A is equal to 4 3 2 9. So that is a thing. Okay, so if you simplify this, then you will get 4 minus lambda, this is 3, this is 2, 9 minus lambda, so which is equal to 0. Now if you simplify this, multiply these two, 4 into, this is the determinant. Okay, actually this is not a matrix, sorry to say. Okay, so this is the matrix, not a matrix, this is the determinant. This is the determinant is equal to 0 in order to calculate the eigenvalues. Okay, so this is equal to product of these two, 4 minus lambda into 9 minus lambda minus 6, so which is equal to 0. So 4 into 9 36, then 4 into this minus 4 lambda minus 9 lambda plus lambda square minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write lambda square minus 13 lambda minus this is 30, so which is equal to 0. Now we can write lambda is equal to, so if we add actually this is positive, this is 13, this is 30, right? So if there are two more numbers you have to choose in such a way that if you add those two numbers you should have minus 13, multiply that, then you will get a plus 30. So lambda which is equal to minus 10 comma minus 3, so lambda which is equal to, we will get minus okay, finally, so this is the value, you can choose the value, therefore lambda is equal to 10 comma lambda is equal to lambda is equal to 3. Okay, or I can write this, we can write this is equal to lambda minus 10 into lambda minus 3, which is equal to 0. So meaning lambda is equal to 10, lambda is equal to 3. So this is the answer. I hope you understood. Lambda is equal to 10, lambda is equal to 3. So then now what we can do? So eigenvector calculation. You got eigenvalues, right? So eigenvectors is, this is matrix A minus lambda I into X, which is equal to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. So that is the thing. Now what is a A? So A is equal to, we know this one, A minus lambda A, 4 minus lambda 3, 2, 9 minus lambda into what is X? This is X1, this is X2, this is 0 comma 0 0 0. So the answer for this is this one. So okay, put lambda is equal to, first of all you have to put lambda is equal to 10. If you put lambda is equal to 10, then this is equal to minus 6 3 2 minus 1 into x1 x2, which is equal to 0 comma 0. So this is minus 6x1 plus 3x2, which is equal to 0. Second one is 2x1 minus x2, which is equal to 0. So if you simplify both equation, okay, fine, this equation we can further simplify this, x2 x1 minus x2 which is equal to 0, right? Therefore 2x1 is equal to x2, right? Therefore x1, the coefficient of this x2 comes here, then x2 divided by coefficient of this x1 comes here. This is 2. Therefore x1 x2, this vector is equal to, what is the coefficient of this x1? Sorry, denominator value you have to write, that is x1 value. x2 is the 2 value. x2 is 2. Therefore this one, from this first equation you got it. Okay, therefore the answer for this question is, you can see there is no 1 by 2, there is no 1 by 2, there is no 1 by 2, so therefore this is the answer. If you want, you can put, you can solve the next also. Put lambda is equal to, what is second eigenvalue? 3. This you have to substitute in the equation number A, and after solving you will get a x1 x2 vectors is equal to 3 comma minus 1. You will get, definitely you will get. So the answer for this question is okay. So the now next question is a very interesting question, that is the maximum and minimum values of f of x equal to so on and so forth. Okay, so this is simple. First of all, we have tried f of x. F of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 1. So f dash of x which is equal to 0. You have to differentiate this. 0 which is equal to 12x cube minus 6x square minus 12x plus 6. This is 0. Now you have to calculate this x value. So this is the cube root, right? So you can use this synthetic division techniques. First x equal to, if you substitute 1, then 12 minus 6 minus 12, this to cancel this, okay, you will get a 0. If you substitute x equal to 1, then this entire thing becomes, this satisfies this equation. If you substitute 1, then it satisfies the equation, right? Therefore then remaining value you have to calculate. Minus 6 the coefficient, minus 12, then the coefficient is 6. Now first you have to put 0, okay, then you have to add these two, this is 12, then multiply this 12 with 1, then you will get a 12. So if you simplify this, then this is 6. 6 into 1, this is 6. Minus 6. Simplify this, this is minus 6. So answer for this question is 0 now. Now this is the square quantity, this is the x quantity, this is the constant quantity. Therefore, 1 of the x is equal to, you got it, 1. The remaining x's we have to calculate. That we can write this equation 12x square plus 6x minus 6 which is equal to 0. So if you simplify this, then you will get, you can use this x equal to plus or minus x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. What is a b? Minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4a, 4 into 12 into, what is a c? C is equal to minus 6, the whole divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus, this is 24, 48, 48 into 6. Okay, 48 into 6 is equal to 288 minus 2, 88, the whole divided by 2 minus 36. So this is 252. Now so 15.87. Therefore you will get x equal to, now we are getting x equal to, okay, and x equal to, you will get, okay, 4ac, ac, okay, 4 into a 12 into 6, 288 plus 36 square root of answer 18. So actually this is plus, right? Minus and minus plus. Therefore minus 6 plus or minus 18, if we take a square root of these two, therefore divided by 2. Now x equal to, now we can get it 2 if you subtract it, minus 2. Okay, if you add it, okay, that means I can write x is equal to minus 6 plus 18 divided by 2, or minus 6 minus 18 divided by 2. So x equal to, so you will get, this is 12 divided by 2, that is, okay, 6. Then this is, actually this is 2a, right? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, 2a. Here a is equal to 12, we can write 12. Okay, therefore this is 12. No, not 12, 24. So your answer is 24. This is also 24. So if we simplify this is 24, the 18. So this is 1 by 2, or this is 1 by 2, this is minus 1. So but they given the range. The range is equal to how much they given, 0 comma 2 they given. The range is 0 comma 2 given. Therefore your actual x value is now what, 1 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 1. Therefore this 1 minus 1 won't come within this range. Therefore x you have to take 1 comma 1 by 2. Now we calculated the x value, right? Now you have to calculate the function where it is a maximum and minimum. Therefore for that you have to differentiate this f dash of x once again. So which is equal to 48x square minus 12x minus 12. Then you have to substitute f dash of x equal to 1, which is equal to 48 minus 12, which is equal to 30, okay, minus 12, which is equal to 24, which is equal to 24, which is greater than 0. That is f double dash of x. If it is greater than 0, then we can say the function is minimum. Then similarly, if double dash of x is equal to 1 by 2, if you substitute 48 into 1 by 4 minus 12 into 1 by 2 minus 12. So which is equal to, this is 4, 1, 2. 1, 2 minus 6 minus 12. Cancel out these two, this is minus 6. So this is less than 0, therefore the function is maximum. So f double dash of 1 by 2. So you got it, f double dash of 1 and f double dash of 1 by 2. So if you now if you want to calculate maximum and minimum value, what do you have to do? In order to get a maximum, you have to substitute 1 by 2 in our equation. Therefore to get maximum, f of x equal to f of 1 by 2. This is the maximum. If you substitute 1 by 2, then you will get a maximum, is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 the whole power 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2 the whole power 3 minus 6 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1. And similarly, f of x, which is equal to f of 1. If you substitute f of 1, then you will get a minimum, that is equal to 3 into 1 power 4 minus 2 into 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 1. So answer for this question, so this is equal to, you will get now 3 minus 2 minus 6 plus 1. So this is minus 8 plus 3 plus 4, right? So minus 8, so minus 4. So one value, this is 268 minus 8 plus 4. I think somewhere I have done a mistake. Okay, here one more quantity will come, that is a plus 6x. I forget to put plus 6 into 1 plus 1. So plus 6 plus 1. Therefore, you can get this two are getting cancelled. 4 minus 2. So answer is 2. So plus 2. So answer is 2. F of x. And similarly, this one, if you simplify this, then you will get 39 by 16. So which is equal to, you can write in the compound fraction divided by 16. So the answer for this question is now B. Okay. So answer for this question is B. Now next question is the Taylor expansion of this one, and Z is less than 1 is. Okay, so this is a very simple question. Taylor expansion, Z minus 2, what you have to write? You have to change this in the format of Z minus 1. Okay, so that the problem becomes simpler. In order to make Z minus 1, you have to take 2 out. So that is now Z minus 1. You will get something like that. Okay, sorry. Z by 2 minus 1. Okay, if you simplify this, 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 minus Z divided by 2. 1 divided by Z divided by 2. Okay, now if you simplify this further, 1 divided by minus 2 into 1 minus Z divided by 2, the whole inverse. So this is the thing. We know that 1 minus x the whole inverse, which is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. Okay, so this is the thing. Now 1 minus x the whole inverse, which is equal to, well, you have to substitute, use this concept. Therefore minus 1 by 2 we can write into 1 minus z divided by 2 the whole inverse. How we can write? 1 minus x the whole inverse we can write like that. So minus 1 by 2 common, then 1 plus z divided by 2, that is x, plus z square divided by 4 plus etc. Therefore, a very simple question, answer D is correct. Okay. Now, next question. Actually, this is a very big question. This kind of question shouldn't ask in the TRB, but why the people are asking, we don't know. Using Ranchikuta fourth order, this is a fourth order, be careful, fourth order, the value of y of 0.1 for y dash, this is the function, and y of 0 is equal to 1. Here y not is equal to 1, x not is equal to 0, so that is the meaning of this. Okay, and the interval also they have given. Okay, so we can solve this. It's a function which is given y dash equal to xy plus y square, and y of 0 which is equal to 1 comma h is equal to 0.1. Okay, and first of all you have to calculate k1. The formula h into f of x naught comma y naught. Okay, now x naught which is equal to 0 and y naught which is equal to 1. Now this is the initial value. Okay, we have taken, right? I have written already. Now k1 is equal to 0.1, that is a h into the function. Okay, this is f of, we can write, this is substitute this function. The function is what now? Your function is what? Xy plus y square. So that we substitute, the first one becomes 0 plus 1, right? So you have to substitute this in that function. So you will get 0.1, that is a k1. You got k1 now. Okay, similarly k2 is equal to, what we can do, h into the function x naught plus h divided by 2 comma y naught plus k1 divided by 2, k1 divided by 2. So 0.1 into the function, what is the x naught? X naught is equal to 0 plus h is 0.1 divided by 2 comma, what is a y naught? 1 plus, what is a k1? 0.1 divided by 2. So if we simplify this, therefore k2 which is equal to 0.1 into the function 0.05 plus 1.05. So this is the answer. Now you got it, this function This is comma, not a plus. So you have to, this is the now x and y value. Substitute this in the function value. Therefore, k2 is equal to 0.1. X value is this, y value is this. If you simplify this, so you will get, and substitute this x and y value here in the first equation. 0.053. See, it takes so much time. Okay, plus 1.103. So the finally you will get k2 is equal to 0.115. This is the k2. Similarly, k3 which is equal to h into f x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. So which is equal to 0.1 in the function. This is already we have done 0.05 plus y naught plus k2 by 2. If you simplify this, all values you know 1.058. So x comma y, therefore k3 is equal to 0.1 into, if you substitute here, then you will get this. After simplification you will get k3 is equal to 0.117. Okay, similarly k4 is equal to h into f x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. So if you simplify this, which is equal to 0.1 in the function 0.1 comma 1.117. Okay, if you simplify, therefore k4 is equal to 0.1 into 0.112 plus 1.248. Okay, so finally k4 you are getting 0.136. K4 you got it. Now you know the total k you need to calculate in order to solve the problem. K1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So the whole divided by 6. So if you simplify all, then you will get k is equal to 0.117. That is a k. So without calculator, such kind of doing such kind of problem is difficult in your examination. So better you have to leave. Don't waste your time for solving such kind of question. Okay, because unnecessarily you will lose your time. Okay, this is the key. Now y1 they are asking, y of, okay, y of 0.1 they are asking. So that is a y1 which is calculated k naught plus k, sorry, that is y naught plus k, and x1 which is equal to x naught plus h. Okay, so therefore the final result is y1 is equal to y naught plus k. So y1 is equal to, now we can write 1 plus 0.117, which is equal to 1.117. Okay, so now your answer is 1.117 is the answer. Y1 in the sense y of 0.1. Y1 in the sense y of 0.1. Y of 0.1 is equal to 1.117. Therefore, answer for this question is C. See, this is a very lengthy question, so better you can leave this question in your examination. You don't refer this question, okay? Unnecessarily takes so much time. Now, match the following bending moment and shear force bending moment and loading diagram. So the A matches with the 3. Okay, for this bending moment diagram is this. So A matches with 3. So option B is correct. Because A is matches with 3, only one option is there. The remaining you don't want to do at all. Okay, therefore option this is correct. So remaining thing, cantilever beam with the UDL, this is the answer. This one UDL with the simply supported, this is the bending moment diagram. For this case, this is the bending. Actually, yeah, this is the bending moment diagram. Actually, this bending moment diagram is not correct. So this bending moment diagram somewhat extend, and it will, maybe it will somewhere there is a inflection also there. Okay, so actual bending moment diagram you will get something like, okay, fine. Anyhow, the answer B is correct. It's a very simple question. The 1% of sewage sample is incubated for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. The depletion of oxygen was found is 3 ppm. The BOD 5 of the sample. So the BOD 5 is equal to, they given 1% of sample. 1% if given, then you have to, 1% is 1 by 100, right? Which generally we will write 1 by 100. But in the BOD calculation, you have to take a reciprocal. So divided by 1. So 100 divided by 1. Suppose in the question 2% if they are, if they given, then you have to take 100 divided by 2. 5% if they given, then you have to take 100 divided by 5. So that is a meaning of this. Okay. So now, so this is the 100 divided by 1 BOD 5, and the depleted oxygen, initial minus final generally, but they given directly the depleted oxygen is 3. So the answer is 300 ppm. Okay, so in general BOD 5 we can write is a dilution factor into depleted oxygen. Therefore answer for this question is C. So this is very simple question, right? Next one is, if V is the design speed in kilometer per hour and T is the total reaction time, then the lag time is a very simple question. The lag time is 0.278 Vt meter. We know that SSD is equal to lag time, sorry, not lag time, lag distance plus braking distance. What is a lag distance? That is 0.278 Vt. What is a braking distance? V squared divided by 254 F. So this is the SSD. So this is our answer. Answer for this question is C. Now next one. The equation for computing velocity of flow by Manning's formula. It's a very simple question. V is equal to 1 by n, r power 2 by 3, s power 1 by 2. So this is a direct formula. Okay. So see, some of the question in the 2 mark itself they have been asked very simple, and some of the question in 1 mark itself they have been asked very toughest one. Okay. Next one. So this is the match the list 1 and list 2. The alligator cracks. So the best option, the alligator crack, is the brittleness and overheating of bitumen. Okay. So this is the answer. So 2. A matches with the 2. What are the options are matching with the 2? So except this, all are matching. Then the shrinkage crack. Shrinkage crack is brittleness due to aging of binder. So this one is 1. Therefore option B is correct. You can ignore these 3. So elimination techniques: alligator crack, brittleness and overhanging of bitumen. Shrinkage crack is brittleness due to aging of binder. And the rest of the things you don't want to do it. So the sympathetic crack, then you can take joints and crack on pavement layer underneath. Hairline crack, that is insufficient bitumen content. So this is the some of the things. Okay. Then we are going to see a traffic lane has one-way traffic flow at a stream speed of 40 kmph. The average space gap between vehicles to follow 0.278 Bt. Assuming the average reaction time as 0.7 seconds and average length of vehicle as 5 meter. So the theoretical capacity calculator, theoretical capacity is equal to 1000 V divided by S. 1000 V divided by S. Now S is equal to, we know that 0.278 into Vt plus length of the wheelbase. 0.278 into V into T is equal to how much? The T is equal to 0.7 plus L. L is equal to 5 meter. So S is equal to this. Now S is equal to, if you simplify this, then this is 7.784 plus 5. So now S is equal to, it is approximately 12.784. S is over. Then C is equal to 1000 into what is the velocity? 40 divided by 12.784. So C is equal to this. Then the final answer is approximately you will get 3129 point, okay, something. So this is 1000 into 40 divided by 12.784, 3128.9, 8.9. So capacity we can take it as 3130. So this is the answer. Now next one is, so these are the general studies. There are 10 questions. So we can write what temperature are Fahrenheit and Celsius are equal. So at 40 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Fahrenheit and Celsius are equal. Now, so these are the old and general knowledge question. So I think it is not required for you. Don't want to remember also. Who won the gold both in 5,000 and 10,000 meter even in 2017 Asian Athletic Championship? Lakshmanan. The next question is, the parliament can make any law for whole or any part of India for implementing international treaty. So without the consent of any state. So this is a very interesting thing. The parliament don't have any suggestion or any that is a or any uh, the protocol which should give by the state government. No, there is no protocol have to give by state government to making law to the central government. There, without consent of the state government, the parliament can, that is central government can make any law. Okay, next one. Consider the following statement: which of the following rivers are flows into the Bay of Bengal? So the option is B, that is Brahmaputra and Godavari. Okay, so these two, Tapti and Narmada, is not flowing through the Bay of Bengal. Next one is Article 21A and RTA Act came into effect. So this is on 1st April 2010, Article 21A and Right to Education. Okay, Right to Education Act came into effect. Article 21 is the right to education. Okay, on 1st April 2010. Article 21A means what? A right to education. Now, the first state to fix minimum education qualification for cooperative body poll. So this answer for this question is Rajasthan. The Rajasthan is the first state which is fixed the minimum education qualification for contesting the election in the cooperative body, that is municipality, so on and so forth. Okay, the class of 45 students, a boy is ranked 20. Okay, when two boys are joined, his rank was dropped by one. When two boys is joined, then the rank getting dropped by one. What is his new rank from the end? So that's the question. So here the solution is total strength. What is the total strength? Is equal to 45. Now, the rank of a boy, which is equal to 20th from one end. From one end. From one end, the rank of a boy is 20. One end. Okay. Next class, a boy is ranked 20. A boy from one end. Okay. Next one is, therefore, from another end, what is the rank of the boy? The rank from another end, which is equal to 45 minus 20 plus 1, right? So another end is, it is 26 rank. From one end, if you count it, from one end is 20, then another end is what? Is a 26. Okay, so 26 is the rank. Now, when two boys are joined, when two boys are joined, when two boys are joined, new strength, which is equal to 47. Okay, new strength is 47. Therefore the new rank, therefore in the question they given, when two boys are joined, his rank was dropped by one. So we can write, now the rank dropped by one. This means This means one boy is ahead, one boy is ahead of one boy is ahead of him. Okay, and another boy is in behind, therefore his new rank from the end will be 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. So the answer for this question is C. Okay, next question is a very simple question. In which of the following temple the front mandapa is in the form of a huge chariot drawn by horses? So this is the Taraswaram temple. So such kind of question solving is somewhat difficult only because we need to know so many factual data, right? Okay, who wrote the novel Kavalkotam? So that is Venkatesan. Kavalkotam. It is written by Venkatesan. Quit India Movement is a very simple question. Everyone knows Quit India Movement was launched in response of CRISP proposal. So this is the answer. Okay.